Wow. All right. So cool trick. A couple of hours ago, I was working on a project, and I was setting up the project. Then I realized something. So I have these gulp scripts. All right. Styles, components, app.js. Lots of projects I work on. I have these fairly constant, and then what I do is basic. I have some files that I'm watching for anytime I make changes to them, and Gulp just rebuilds them. So basically, I'm just doing simple stuff here. So I just concatenate, add everything up into um, sets of bundles or bundles of files that I can basically include once into like one index file JS and or index HTML, and then like I just have all the changes. So and then the way I have it set up, like once I add new files in a particular project in a particular folder, it just gets added automatically. So that's cool. But one problem I have is Gulp itself. So whenever you're working on a new project and then you have Gulp set up, like you'll be making changes, for instance. So I just built an Angular application, and I had to go in and change a few things a couple of times, like adding UI router, JavaScript, jQuery, Lodash, and other stuff there. So um, whenever you come to edit the Gulp tasks, you probably have it running already in one terminal, and you have to go in and stop it. And then once you make your edit, you have to restart it again. And well, I thought there'd probably be a better way to do it, and I checked out a few resources online. Some were hard, some were easy, but this is what I found. So most times, all my Gulp tags, I have this laravel-elixir that I like using. So I basically borrowed it from other Laravel project that I've been working on, and I was stuck with it. There's a new one, Laravel Mix. Taylor is a good guy. So I like using laravel-elixir, so probably stealing it. And so laravel-elixir, through that I can just watch my Gulp file, all my other files that I have, and then I found that I could basically extend it to have, well, poor naming, but I basically extended to have this. So there's my new Gulp laravel-elixir tags that I have G restart, which receives the name of the file that I want to watch, which in this case is a Gulp file. So if I'm working on Gulp app.js, right inside Gulp app.js, I call the extension, the laravel-elixir extension right here, Gulp app.js is on here. Then I pass the name of the Gulp file itself to it, including the files that I want to watch, because inside the Gulp file.js, I haven't watched the other files too. So here is the cool trick on it. So once it's running, and then I make any changes to, for instance, so this is Gulp app.js, right, which is watching all my JS files. So this is one JS file, and I'm basically going to delete this, and there it is rebuilt. All right, laravel-elixir assets complete. Combined, well, that's what I get. So cool. And then if I modify the Gulp app, Gulp task, Gulp app.js file itself, so here to let me edit file, new line, and basically, yep, that's who's rebuilt. So very cool, simple trick I found, and I'm going to include a link to a GitHub repo that I posted a while ago that includes this, so that anyone at all can pick it up and like make work easy, because it took me a while to find it online. I'm sure a few people might have stumbled upon this like this headache before, and yeah, so basically that's it. So just check the links below and you'll see a link to GitHub repo. So that's it. Thanks guys.